Republican Jeff Miller is facing 3 felony charges. Nate shoot /Indianapolis City County councilman Jeff Miller sits at his desk at the council chambers for their meeting at the City County building Monday, December 4, 2017. Photo, Matt Krieger /Indistar, by photo. Jeff Miller will regain custody of his son while the Indianapolis councilman's molestation case moves through court. The decision by Hedrick's Superior Judge Marco Smith came after Miller's attorneys filed a motion to lift a no-contact order issued late last month. Smith granted the defense's motion Friday afternoon. Miller, 50, faces 3 Level 4 felony counts of child molestation after being accused of fondling 2 young girls in his Fletcher Place home. Miller told investigators that he did not intend for his touching to be sexual, according to court documents. Miller, one of his attorneys, Jennifer Leukemia, and the Marion County Prosecutor's Office declined requests for comment Friday. Related, Jeff Miller goes from court to counsel, greeted with handshakes, hug, and a reduced role. More, Jeff Miller, here's why I'm staying on the Indianapolis Council. Facebook, follow public safety reporter Ryan Martin. After the no-contact order was issued, Miller's attorneys said Department of Child Services officials temporarily placed the boy in foster care. The attorneys described the experience as traumatic for the child. Relatives then took custody of the son, the attorneys said. At Miller's initial hearing Monday, his attorneys noted that Miller, whose wife has died, is the sole caregiver of the child. They also argued that Miller did not pose a danger and that Miller's son had not alleged any abuse in an interview with police. Courtney Curtis, a Marion County deputy prosecutor on the case, suggested the court only grant DC's supervised visits. Curtis said she expects Miller's son to be called as a witness in the case. Smith sided with Miller's attorneys, lifting the no-contact order. The next notable date in the case is December 18, which is the deadline for the Marion County Prosecutor's Office to respond to Miller's request for a special prosecutor. Miller's attorneys will then have 2 weeks to respond, Smith said Monday, before the judge decides whether to hold a hearing on the matter. Smith was appointed special judge by the Indiana Supreme Court after Marion Superior Judge Mark Stoner recused himself, citing a conflict of interest. Miller's attorneys noted the judge's recusal in their petition seeking a special prosecutor. Miller, a second-term Republican councilman, represents an active downtown district that includes Fletcher Place, Fountain Square, Mars Hill, Indiana University, Purdue University, Indianapolis and White River State Park. He has remained on City County Council, even as council leadership stripped his committee assignments and his 10 Republican colleagues have called on him to resign. Call Indistar reporter Ryan Martin at 317-444-6294. Follow him on Facebook and on Twitter, @RiaMarty. Call Indistar reporter James Briggs at 317-444-6307. Follow him on Twitter, @JamesCBriggs.